Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-Track out of a 69 Continental Mark III, a Lincoln of course. Customers requested the actually the customer originally sent it in for repair to original stock, which was not possible, so he was forced to accept an FM conversion, so the radio now has FM. And of course the 8-Track works as well. So let's go ahead and turn her on. I've got it set to FM at the moment. I have 4 out of the 5 presets set to FM stations in my area. The middle one, I'm waiting for some epoxy to dry, so I can't pull that one out, or it's just going to pull. It's going to pull all the way out. So we don't want that to happen. So we'll test these 4 buttons, and then we'll run it through the manual. So let's go ahead and turn her on to FM.
Tour their new campus and apply. For a complete list of programs, visit ArizonaChristian.com.
Maybe you never thought of that.
Okay, and now we'll manually tune. Make sure we pick up a few more.
El combate espiritual del Padre.
And our believing in
Like that's reverse of the I am positive.
behind my comfort.
Extra help you deserve.
Made the righteousness of
She said, Daddy, oh, don't
Red bottoms. High and
till you satisfied.
Cities now. You can say people.
It's enough funding to pay
Spell their way through a series of
Okay, that's quite a few FM stations. Okay, we're going to switch it over to AM, which on this model, to go between AM and FM, we just turn the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on AM, and we get one strong station around the center. We may pick up a weak one around here.
Has more medical knowledge and better credentials.
Okay, I guess that weak one's not going to come in today. So there's our strong AM stations. While we've got that on talk radio, let's demonstrate our balance control. Make sure we have all of our speakers
passed down to them by
all the way left,
spent on
all the way right,
fear. Correct.
all the way left.
Kulldorff made a science-backed common sense statement on Twitter that got him locked out of his account.
Okay, now we also have a virtual front-rear fader. We activate that by turning our tone control twice to the right. So the first thing I'll do is turn to the center, so I've got room to turn to the right. Okay, tone control twice to the right.
Older, high-risk people do not
fader adjust.
Fader adjust. So now the same control
COVID-19 because of it.
is adjusting our front-rear speaker balance all the way front, all the way rear, front.
Hi, Martin Kulldorff. You may be
okay,
a
I'm going to
Harvard
center them
epidemiologist,
and stop
but
adjusting
Twitter,
it.
VGA.
Fader set.
And she says fader set. Okay,
You know?
so that takes care of that.
Your account has been locked because
Okay, let's
you
test the
dared to
8-Track
suggest
function. Got
masks
some-
are not God's gift.
Got some Neil
Oh,
Sedaka here.
This is cute.
Gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Nice bright sounding 8-Track. Okay, blank spot there. Okay, we're probably going to be coming up on our automatic track change, so we'll give it a chance to do that. There's our automatic track change. Alright, pull the tape out.
Have children who
Radio
are
comes right back.
alienated from
And just for fun, we'll put it back on FM.
See Ricky Miles and the Supreme Team know that.
Okay, and now we're back on
They're
FM.
here for you.
Alrighty, we're going to test the dial-light, make sure that comes on. Let's see, that's a special test I have to do for that, so you probably won't see it, but I will. Yep, little faint blue glow on the dial. Okay, so that takes care of everything. The unit is ready to go back to the customer. And incidentally, this comes from Tom in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Thank you, Tom, for your business clear across the country, or about halfway across the country. And one thing I need to mention about this model, this is the Ford Mark III unit. A lot of these have bad eject solenoids. This unit normally will eject the tape either when you turn the unit off or when you lightly press on this leftmost button. There's been a big failure trend of the eject solenoids burning up on these things, and that is the case with this one as well. On most of these units, it holds the tape in so tightly that I have to actually remove the balance control to make room for a mechanical eject lever that I've devised to fix that problem, because those solenoids are no longer available. Nothing else will fit in that small space. On this unit, it doesn't hold the tape so tightly that you can't pull it out by hand, so I decided to just keep the balance control in place, to keep things original as possible, and the customer is able to. Let's turn this unit back on. Well, actually, don't even need to play it. Just need to make sure that customer can pull it out without too much difficulty. On some of them, you just can't. It's just not going to happen no matter what you do. So we'll just try a couple more tapes and make sure that it holds those in as well. Okay. Okay, yeah, so we're good. Well, that one holds in real tight because there's no roller. This is the tape on which I've removed the roller, so it goes in farther enough to engage that mechanism really tightly. So you know what? Since we've been inserting and removing tapes, let's just make sure that the tape stuff is still cool. Turn the radio back on.
In the first place, your spot.
Okay, and then we'll try this tape just for fun. Alright, we're good. Alright, now it's really done. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you just seen what I can do to an old ancient AM 8-Track. I can add FM, depending on how much you want to spend and what features you like. I can also add Bluetooth, USB reader, HD radio, and who knows what else by the time you're ready to do some business. So thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. My phone number for paying repair jobs only. This is not a number to call looking for belts or parts, or asking me how to fix that yard sale fine that you don't want to put money into. You don't call me for those reasons. You call me because you want to send in your unit for service and pay my advertised rates. Thanks so much for watching and listening. My phone number again, 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks again. See you guys next time.